If I were you, Ding, admit it!
We heard that you only supply, but you are not the one pushing the stone.
And why?
Because of Ding's frail body. He can't push.
See? You say that I don't have the strength to push? I'm innocent! Come on!
Ding! Ding! Don't be strong. I really don't want when people struggle.
Don't you prepare people who fight?
Can you say that again?
I said, you prepare people to fight. But chance is coming. Chance is coming. You don't want people to fight. I don't want people to fight either. We must follow the leader. We must follow the leader because that is what being disciplined means.
Told you not to get involved. Let's just pretend we did not hear or see anything. We will not say out loud that they are really the ones killing.
What?
Skilling, boss. Skilling. And chance is coming. Chance is coming. Hoy. Just do as I do, or else we will be the next. Chance is coming!
So let's replace Ding and we're done here.
It has been 6 years. Time flies.
It's so fast and how people forget so quickly.
Because we cleaned people's brains. That's the reason.
Cleaned what?
I mean, brainwashed.
Brainwashed. The people believe in change. But the truth is, change is coming.
Animal! Animal! You're an animal! Justice will come! Darna will have her day!
Wait, before I forget. If ever you meet Darna again, please hand this over to her.
What's this?
Renta.
Why am I here?
We need someone to blame.
As we usher in the new leadership, it has to be perfect. There should be no stain or dirt. It should be pristine clean. That the effect should be, he is the only solution to unite the country.
So what? Why am I cold? If this person is so called perfect.
Nobody is perfect. And you know that the new leader is not just anybody. His father is known.
What about him? Is he popular? We know that his father is deposed because of...
So, don't be judgmental. Why? Were you around during his time? You were not alive then. So you do not know about unity.
What kind of unity? When the father did not want the Voltes to unite.
But at least the father was good. He had so many achievements, many buildings, many bridges.
Many dead, much stolen.
The sin of the father is not the sin of the son. Period.
And also, the father's achievement are also the son's achievements.
Oh,
You are so confusing. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
Quiet! Someone must be blamed.
Blame for what?
Someone needs to take the blame. Because we all knew that he will fail in his plan.
I believe he will not fail.
Why do you say that?
He will not fail in his plans because he has no plans.
There's a plan, but there must be a backup plan.
That is to pass the buck to Batman.
That if the leader is terrible at his job, people will just say, "Bahala na si Batman. Let's leave it up to Batman. The gas is expensive.
Bahala na si Batman.
The price of rice is rising.
Isn't there a promise to lower rice price to 20 per kilo?
Hey!
Okay.
Bahala na si Batman.
The response of COVID-19.
Bahala na si Batman.
How did this happen? Why should I take responsibility when there is nothing else to do? Why am I the only one to blame?
Correction, Batman. In the previous leadership, we did not blame you. We blame the addicts, the leftists, the COVID journalists, and all the people who always question the government.
Instead of asking questions, why don't they just help? They just complain about the government
When
they can just work.
You
You don't need to rely on the government for everything.
So, there's a change tactic to return it to the people. So when things get dirty, don't blame the government?
Because it must be beautiful, so that the poor Filipinos will have a star to look in their slums.
Shining in the sky like a golden sun in space. The golden years are coming back.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That's the cry of the people. Don't they sound like they are disciplined?
Where is the discipline there?
Being good followers. And of course, you are not allowed to ask. So, class, repeat after me.
Martial law was the golden age. The father was kind. The Philippines rose during the golden age. And the only people killed during that time were the communists.
That's it. That's what people should be saying repeatedly. Let's post that immediately. Do you get it, Batman? If we want a successful golden age, but it fails miserably, the people is the reason why the Philippines is not progressing.
But why me? Shouldn't he be the one to take the blame? Why me? Why not you? Or them?
It gets personal when you blame yourself, Batman. See? When you ask yourself, but ako? Why me? It's like everyone is presumed innocent. It's better to blame others so you never get to see where the root of the problem is.
Why is AJK still going on in the Philippines?
Why are you afraid? Are you an addict?
Many were killed and suffered during martial law.
Why are you alive during martial law?
Why is the government's response to COVID-19 terrible?
Why do you have so many questions? Do you want to be the president?
Why me? Ba't ako? Ba't ako? Ba't ako? Ba't ako?